DevOps Roadmap, your path from zero to a DevOps engineer starts here. Every DevOps journey begins with the basics. Learn Linux commands, shell scripting, and how the networking works, like TCP/IP, DNS, firewalls. This is your foundation. Without it, nothing else makes sense. Pick up a scripting language like a Python or Go and learn Git inside out. You will automate everything later, so these skills compound fast. Now you automate the build. CI/CD is the heart of DevOps. Tools like GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, and Jenkins run your tests and deploys automatically every time you push a code. The new wave is like ArgoCD and GitOps. Your entire infrastructure is declared in Git and synced automatically. No more manual deployments. Package your apps in containers. Docker isolates everything like code, runtime, dependencies into a portable image that runs everywhere. Then the orchestration at the scale with Kubernetes. It auto scales, self-heals, and manages hundreds of containers. Add Helm for templated deployment and Istio for service mesh. Stop clicking through consoles. With infrastructure as code, you write entire infrastructure in files. Like Terraform, you can provision cloud resources. Pulumi lets you use real programming languages. You can use OpenTofu, which is like an open source alternative. For configurations, you can use Ansible, which handles server setup, patches, and compliance, all from simple YAML playbook. If it runs, monitor it. Prometheus collects metrics, Grafana helps you to visualize them, or you can use Datadog, gives you like a full stack observability in one platform. The modern standard is OpenTelemetry, which is like a unified traces, metrics, and logs across every services. Plus, you can use ELK stack for log aggregation and search. Pick your cloud, whether it's AWS, Azure, or GCP. You have to learn IAM for your identity and access management. You have to have like knowledge on VPCs, compute, and storage, and more other services. Each has its strengths, but the concepts transfers. Wrap it all with security. You have to use DevSecOps, scan containers with Trivy or some other tool, manage secrets, definitely with Vault, and enforce policies with OPAs. Security is in the face now, it's embedded in every step. That's your DevOps roadmap from Linux basics to Kubernetes, Terraform to Observability, and GitOps to DevSecOps. Follow this path and you will be production ready. You have to be spending time to have enough concentration on step by step, and you should be getting there soon. If you like this video, subscribe and tell me which tool you are going to learn first. Thank you for watching.